Patrick Walker here with Mission Winners, and this is our top stocks for this week that you should have on your watch list. And we always sort by industry group rank first. So here we are, Granite Construction. Group number 2, earnings per share rank 92, composite rating 99, B plus accumulation distribution, timeliness A. Those are the things we use to build a case. You can see this small base right here. Got a little bit of a tail bar here. Needs to take that out. What's the high on that bar? 62.90. What would be our entry? 63. That's simple. $63. Let's move on here. KEX. Taking a look at this. It's a little bit extended, but note the volume that came into this. Just take out the tops of this bar. Once it starts to trend, it really trends, folks. Earnings per share rank 83, group rank A+. It's group number 3. A+ accumulation distribution, composite rating 99, relative strength 95, leading into the new high ground. Timeliness A, increasing earnings for this year and next year. They're looking for a 41% increase in earnings this year over last year, and they're looking for a 24% increase in earnings next year over this year. We are really big at putting the edge on our favor as far as fundamentally and technically. It's a little bit extended in price. I like the volume that came into it right here. You can see that's a nice surge. And again, composite rating 99, relative strength 95, leading into new high ground. Take out the tops of this bar right here. The best thing this could do is tomorrow morning, it pulls back a little bit, and then it takes out the highs of this bar. Okay, the high on that bar is 124.21. You can say, how do you know that? Please watch the H. When I put it on that cursor, on that bar, 124.21. What would be our entry? 124.30. In a good market with volume. That's simple. Let's continue onwards here. Here we go, Trinity Corporation. What do we have going on with Trinity? Ticker symbol's TRN. Group number 5, earnings per share rank 89, composite rating 99. Folks, we're really big on strong composite ratings. Accumulation distribution A. Relative strengths 89 near new high ground. Look at the volume that came into that animal. We like that. Last quarter's earnings up 371%. Last quarter's sales up 26%. We either want great earnings and or great sales. We like both. We'll take it. Go across these tops. See the volume that came into it? A little bit of a tail bar there. It needs to take out the top of that bar. 31.60 in a good market with volume. The high on this bar is 31.59. You don't need to add a dime, okay? It's not necessary. 31.60, you can see the clean tops. Why do we love clean and simple bases? And I teach this, I taught this for years, as I said, but more importantly, we do this in Mission Winners. Why do we like clean and simple bases? It's not being cute and funny. They're easy to see. It's not rocket science. Everybody can, that's just going sideways. I guess if it takes out that line with volume, that would be pretty good. And man, it had volume coming into it on Friday. There you go. That's what we look for. Let's move on here. Nvidia. What do we do with Nvidia? We own this from down here, and it's been a rocket ship. We owned it from down here at around 510. 510 up to, what do we hit a high? Right there, 970. That's not bad money, folks. There you go. Now it's basing again, right here. And what's it forming? Formed a cup with a handle. We bought it there. And now, and look at that move. Isn't that nice? Yeah, this was bought here, okay? Coming through here. Look at the volume pickup on that bar. Clean and simple flat base. So now it's just pulling back here, all right? It has earnings per share at 99, composite rating 99, A timeliness, B minus accumulation distribution, relative strength 98. It's got everything going for it. Now, this is the important point I must make out. They've got a big press conference with the president, CEO of the company this week. How many of you already knew this stuff? If you did, good for you. Hit that like button to let us know. It really makes me happy to see our team, not just the VIPs, but our whole YouTube community, taking these lessons and putting them into action. And if you're new here, welcome aboard. Maybe smash that subscribe button and leave us a hello in the comments. Be careful buying in front of the press conference. I don't know what they're going to say. I don't know what the response is going to be. All I know is we don't get reckless or overly aggressive. But could this bounce here if the news is good? Take out the tops of that bar right there. The high on that bar is 1127.17. 1127.20 could be a potential spot if the news is good. Be careful with it until then, okay? Let's move on here. ARM Holdings. Give me the lowdown on it, Pat. Group rank 6, earnings per share rank 99, composite rating 99, A accumulation distribution. Again, it's an A+ rated group. Relative strength 95, near new highs for this move, okay? Last quarter's earnings up 999%. Last quarter sales up 47. Folks, that's how we build a case. Look at the volume. How is strength measured? Good price action, backed by volume. Here's Lilly, Eli Lilly, Lily of the Valley. Lifting up here, we own this, by the way. You see that line? That's where we own it. And we sold some of this strength. We're in good shape. Basing right here, look at the volume that came into it. If the news is good, this could get a lift. The high on this bar, 826.21, 826.30 on Lilly. By the way, earnings per share rate 90, SMR A, accumulation distribution B, composite rating 98, timeliness B. Last quarter's earnings up 59%. Last quarter sales up 26%. I do the homework here at Mission Winners. We don't leave any stone unturned. You ready for this? They are looking for a 116% increase in earnings over last year. 116%. That's power. In other words, in 2023, they made $6.32. This year, estimates $13.67. From $6.32 to $13.67. Yeah. Looks pretty good up here. Something to watch. Let's continue onwards. NVDA, I discussed this a little bit. I'm going to show this again. You can see this pullback setup right here. Ran up, pulled back. You'll like this. B+ accumulation distribution, relative strength 99. Now I've got to give you just a heads up. Whatever Nvidia does, all right, this is going to do the same thing. It's lower priced. This trades at 2 times the daily percentage moves of the Nvidia common stock. Okay, so if the Nvidia common stock goes up 2%, this is going to go up 4%. Okay, that's the way it works. But it's lower priced. That makes it nicer, more accessible for a lot of people. Again, B+ accumulation distribution with a composite rating. Oh, it doesn't have a composite rating because it's an ETF. My fault, my mistake. Relative strength 99. I like that. Last quarter's earnings up 59%. Rallies up, pulls back right here. We want to have it take out the tops of that bar. Okay, what's the high on that bar? Keep your eyes on the H, please. 59.84. Folks, it's easy, 59.90. Please know this. It doesn't have to be 10 cents higher, okay? If it's pushing through these tops with volume in a good market, that could be a buy. But again, I stress, big news conference this week. Big. And what the president CEO says could have a very positive impact on the stock or potentially negative. I don't know what it's going to be, okay? But it's just something to be aware of. One of the things we do at Mission Winners, we want to make money. And part of making money is we strive really hard to work smart and also control risk.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.